Esther 3, um, Esther 4, 4. When Esther's maidens and her eunuchs came and told her, the queen was exceedingly distressed, and she sent garments to clothe Mordecai that he might take off his sackcloth, and he did not accept them. You know, sometimes we're going to want to help other people, but what they're going through and what they're dealing with, while the heart may be there and we may be willing to do what we can, we can't help them. Um, Daniel 6, 19 and 20. Very early the next morning, he arose as his king and hurried to the lion's den because Daniel was in it. This shows some sense of faith. That also trouble that he threw him in it the first place. It very grieved him, but he had to follow the letter of the law. This also shows that the law said they get thrown in lion's den and spend the night. It was very detailed, which meant he would finish his punishment, and now that we learn he's alive, he could be brought up out of it. And we see that in this next verse, verse 20. And he came near, he called in an anguished voice, Daniel, servant of the living, did your God, we don't see that till verse 21 though. Servant of the living God, did your God, whom you serve, faithfully save you from the lions? Even though the king never turned to submit to God, he still had faith and power that God could rescue Daniel, which shows us that it's more than just believing God has power that saves. The devil knows God has power. It's submitting to that power.